Welcome to our Python programming series. I'm Anthony and I'm your host. I'm excited to take you on this journey to learn one of the most popular and versatile programming languages out there. Python, as you already know, or if you don't know, Python is used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and many more, making it an incredible valuable skills that you need to have in our today's tech driven world. Now, what are you going to expect for this series? In this series, we will start with the basis and gradually move on to more advanced topics. We'll cover variables, data types, control structures, functions, and object oriented programming. By the end of this program, you will have a solid foundation in Python and be able to build your own projects and applications. So if that is something that you are looking for, welcome. This is the right video for you. So if you are ready to learn Python and start building your own projects, then join me on this exciting journey. Let's get started with our first episode where we will explore the basics of Python and set up our development environment. By going to python.org, hover your mouse to download and download the latest version, which is 3.13.3. You want to download that to your computer. When you're done downloading that, you also want to search for a text editor. Yes, Python works better with a text editor. And the text editor we're going to make use of is Visual Studio Code, which is made by Microsoft. Visual Studio Code. So if you've done that, you have Python already on your computer. If you are done downloading the softwares, the Python and the Visual Studio Code, you want to start by installing the Python. And please, when installing the Python, you want to click on, you want to check this box, add Python to parts. Add Python to parts to make your life a lot more easier in the future as you are going to code using Python and Visual Studio Code. So to highlight that box, add Python to parts. Next is you want to install the Visual Studio Code. Accept, next, and you want to make sure that you check all the boxes right here and click on next, and your Visual Studio Code will start installing. So when you are done installing the both applications, you want to open Python. Let me open my Python. Okay, as you can see, this is the interface of my Python 3.13.3. As you can see, this is my interface. So what you want to do, you want to go over to Visual Studio Code. Yes, we are going to connect our Python to Visual Studio Code right now, and we want our Visual Studio Code to be the interpreter, so that anything that we'll be typing from Python, Visual Studio Code will be interpreting it. So let's go over to extension right now. Go over your mouse to extension, click on extension. Then on the extension, you want to type Python. And you want to install the extension. Then from there, you want to make Python your Visual Studio Code your interpreter. So what you need to do next is you want to hold down Control on your keyboard and Shift, then press P. Then you can see Python Select Interpreter. You want to type Python Select Interpreter, to click on it. Then you see Python 3.13.3. This is the application that we just installed right now on our computer. So you want to click on it, and as such, Python is now connected to Visual Studio Code, and Visual Studio Code will be interpreting all our code on Python. I believe that's clear. Okay, so now we've successfully downloaded and installed Python and Visual Studio Code on our computer. Now let's test it to see if it's working or not. Alright, to see if they are working, what we want to do next is we want to go over to Explorer, click on new file. Yes, click on Python file. Then we want to test our program. Now let's type a short code, which is print open parenthesis hyphen. It could be double or single hyphen. Let's use double hyphen. Hello world. Then you want to hover your mouse to the top right side of Visual Studio Code. You will see run Python file. You want to click on run Python file. Okay, let's save it. Save. Okay, as you can see, our Python file has been run successfully. Hello world. So if you've been watching the video up to this moment, I want to congratulate you. I want to congratulate you guys for installing the Python application and for running our first code. Congrats. Now we are done with the setup with Python and the Visual Studio Code. Next thing, on our next video, which is episode 2, we're going to start typing or writing our code. First of all, so in the next episode, we're going to dive into variables, data types, data operations, but we're going to be focusing on data types. So don't forget to make sure you subscribe to this channel or wherever you're seeing the video, like it, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our next update, which is episode 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye for now.